Okay, if like me you do a lot of biking and or maybe e-biking and your phone needs to be on your handlebars for whatever reason, this is a terrific option. Here's the brand, Mous or Mous. It has a cool system. It has a case and then the actual mount, and when you squeeze on these little things right here, there's like there's some hardware inside there. See, what you do is you press there. Notice how that went in, and when you put the case on, let it go, it grabs. This thing is just terrific. I was using other different branded phone mounts on my e-bikes, and this thing takes a beating. And I love how it works. It's underneath. You just pop it off there. If you look on the back, it has a magnetic and a physical cutout where the case itself. So here's the case, and then here's the actual mount. So you just take your fingers and you squeeze the blue side things right there, and when you pinch that in, you lay the whole case down and bloop, it'll lock in two. But this is just a great accessory. For me, it's the best phone holder mount I have ever had, bar none, and it takes a beating on the trail, and this thing does not budge. So part of the magic, it has like almost a double bind. When you click that, trying to do it with one hand, it releases the little mechanical stuff inside of there that sort of spear inside of the case and hold it. And then this thing holds beautifully. This is the best secure bike mount case and mount combo I have ever had. By far, it's the best one I've ever had. Highly recommended.